Guys, welcome back to my channel V3 Tech Minds. In our previous video, we saw the installation of JRE. So the further step for that is to download a software to run Java programs. So to download the software, before that I have to tell few things regarding the software which we're gonna download today. So basically today we're gonna download Eclipse in our systems. So there are two versions of Eclipse. In that, the first version is the standard version, and the second one is the enterprise version. I'll clearly explain what is the difference between those and what we are gonna download today. So basically there are three types of applications. So first one is the standalone application, the second one is the web application, and third one is the mobile application. So as far as now, we'll remove mobile application because it does not come under this. So we'll talk about standalone applications and web applications. So standalone applications are such applications in which the output will be only limited within the system, or it is only limited within the console as far as Eclipse. So whenever I run the program, the output only will be visible in the console. That is the standalone application. For that application, only Eclipse standard version is more than enough. But the applications like web applications, we need to display the output on the browser along with the connection with the database. In such kind of applications, it's better to download Eclipse enterprise version. So it is not better, actually we have to download Eclipse enterprise version itself, because the normal standard version doesn't support all these things. So as I recommend, even if you want to do the standalone application or a web application, it is better to download the enterprise version because it supports both of them. So therefore today we're gonna download Eclipse enterprise version. So let's go into that. So first thing, what you want to do here is just go into the browser. Okay, after going into the browser, please click on the search bar and search for Eclipse download. Once you give Eclipse download, the first link whichever comes, the Eclipse downloads, please click on that. So in that you will have download link given there. Please download the link. Once you click on that, this page will be forwarded, and then click on the download. So it will take a few seconds to start the downloading. You have to wait. So it takes a few seconds to download, so it is better to have a good network connectivity. So yeah, it's taking a bit of time, so I'll show you in the other way. So see, I have already downloaded the Eclipse, so I'll just show how to install it. So once it is downloaded, please double click on that so the installation will start in your system. Yes, so once the process is done, it will show you this screen where you need to select the second option, that is Eclipse IDE for enterprise Java and web developers, and then click on install. So now it will give for some conditions, please accept it, and then the installation will start. So this also may take a few seconds, we need to wait. So once the installation is done, it will automatically open. The software will automatically open. Then it will ask for the workspace. That is like you may create different folders for different programs, like or different projects. So based on that, you can browse it and you can select the workspace here. and you just have to give launch. Once you give launch, so in the given workspace, it will start opening the project. Yes, so once this is done, then it will redirect to the project folder just shown just shown in the screen. So yeah, this is all about Eclipse installation. Thank you for watching the video. Please like the video and don't forget to subscribe the video, and please share it to your friends also. Thank you.